I can't emphasize how delicious these are. You guys, this cocoa chicken has really a nice crusty exterior, but it is super juicy on the inside. Let's see how to make it. Making a brown sugar syrup consists of a boiling water and a brown sugar together until it dissolves completely. Add 60 grams of cocoa powder. Using cocoa powder in the recipe sounds uncanny, but it is really works magic on the chicken. It dentines the meat and gives it a unique taste which tastes absolutely nothing like a bitter cocoa powder. You need an unsweetened cocoa powder for best results. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring in between, probably every 2 to 3 seconds or so. Add all the whole spices listed here. When you see a super thin layer of bubbles popping at the edge of the syrup, this means it's thoroughly cooked. As I am using a steamed chicken, you need not cook for a long time. Cook till you get a thick consistency. Keep stirring in between, probably 1 minute or so. My dinner never looked better than with these cocoa wrapped chicken. They are also low maintenance, so you don't need to spend a long time on them or do anything extra. I couldn't resist posting this recipe from Smart Balance. The rub sounds so interesting with these warm spices. Very delicious cocoa chicken rubs ready to eat. Easy and quick cocoa chicken recipe for every occasion. Thank you for watching this video.